नमस्कार, मैं सुशील कुमार आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। पंकज उधास, जिन्हें गजल का बादशाह भी कहा जाता है, एक प्रसिद्ध गजल और पार्श्व गायक थे। हिंदी फिल्मों में भी उनके कई हिट गाने रहे, जैसे साल 1986 की फिल्म नाम का गाना चिट्ठी आई है, चिट्ठी आई है। 1990 की फिल्म बाहर आने तक का गाना मोहब्बत इनायत करम देखते हैं, कहाँ हम तुम्हारे सितम देखते हैं, तुम्हें कितनी चाहत से हम देखते हैं, अगर देखना है तो जी भर के देखो, कहीं फिर न कहना कि कम देखते हैं। वर्ष 1991 की फिल्म साजन का गाना जिए तो जिए कैसे बिन आपके, लगता नहीं दिल कहीं बिन आपके, कैसे कहूँ बिना तेरे जिंदगी ये क्या होगी, जैसे कोई सजा कोई बद्दुआ होगी, देख के वो मुझे तेरा पलकें झुका देना, याद बहुत आए तेरा मुस्कुरा देना। वर्ष 1994 की फिल्म मोहरा का गाना न कजरे की धार न मोतियों के हार, न कोई किया सिंगार, फिर भी कितनी सुंदर हो तुम, कितनी सुंदर हो। लेकिन वो पहला गीत जिसने पंकज उधास को फिल्म जगत में एक नई पहचान दी, वह था चिट्ठी आई है, चिट्ठी आई है। This song was written by Sri Anand Bakshi ji and music was given by Sri Lakshmi Kant Pyarelal ji. It became an iconic song indeed. I am making a humble effort to just narrate the lyrics of this classic song and try to explain it in English for the better outreach of the spectrum of this song. This will be my tribute to late Sri Pankaj Udhas ji. So here we go. The song starts. चिट्ठी आई है, वतन से चिट्ठी आई है। Meaning thereby, I have received a letter from my home, my motherland. बड़े दिनों के बाद हम बेवतनों को याद वतन की मिट्टी आई है। After a long spell of time, we who are parted from our homeland have remembered the fragrance of the soil of our motherland today. ऊपर मेरा नाम लिखा है, अंदर ये पैगाम लिखा है, ओ परदेस को जाने वाले, लौट के फिर ना आने वाले। My name is written on the cover of the letter, and inside it contains a very poignant, a heart-touching message that, oh my child, you went abroad. I kept waiting and waiting, but you never came back. सात समुंदर पार गया तू, हमको जिंदा मार गया तू। You went beyond the seven seas. We are left behind like lifeless mortals. खून के रिश्ते तोड़ गया तू, आंख में आंसू छोड़ गया तू। You broke relations with your own people for strangers and left our eyes in tears, in tears. कम खाते हैं, कम सोते हैं, बहुत ज्यादा हम रोते हैं। We are starving to have a glimpse of you, remembering you during sleepless nights. We have reconciled with our fate by being in a state of utter sadness, a perpetual gloominess. सूनी हो गई शहर की गलियां, कांटे बन गई बाग की कलियां। The streets of the city look deserted. The garden buds feel like pricky thorns without you. कहते हैं सावन के झूले, भूल गया तू हम नहीं भूले। The swings of Sawan, that is the month of heavy rains, proclaim that though you have forgotten us, but we cannot afford to forget you. तेरे बिन जब आई दिवाली, दीप नहीं दिल जले हैं खाली। The whole world lit up on Diwali, the festival of light, but our home is in darkness, and our hearts are burning in the vacuum. तेरे बिन जब आई होली, पिचकारी से छूटी गोली. On the festival of Holi, which is the festival of colors, the world is painted with colors, but a splash of color also feels like a gunshot in our hearts. पीपल सूना, पनघट सूना, घर शमशान का बना नमूना. The people tree it is deserted, the well is desolated. The house has become an epitome of crematorium without you. फसल कटी, आई बैसाखी, एक तेरा आना रह गया बाकी, तेरा आना रह गया बाकी. Crops have been harvested and the festival of Baisakhi has arrived. Only your arrival remains awaited. Your arrival remains awaited. पहले जब तू खत लिखता था, कागज में चेहरा दिखता था. On earlier occasions, when you used to write letters, we could feel the reflection of your face through that piece of paper. बंद हुआ ये मेल भी अब तो, खत्म हुआ ये खेल भी अब तो. Our meeting through letters have also come to a grinding halt now, because you don't even write letters anymore. डोली में जब बैठी बहना, रास्ता देख रहे थे नैना. When your sister sat in the palanquin for her solemnization of marriage, all the eyes were waiting for you, but you didn't come to attend your sister's wedding also, which is considered to be a very important event for a brother in the Indian perspective particularly. मैं तो बाप हूं, मेरा क्या है, तेरी माँ का हाल बुरा है. Without being gender specific, it is generally considered in common parlance that fathers are usually strong-hearted. So in that sense, being a father, I can relatively bear the pain. But without you, your mother is very gloomy. तेरी बीवी करती है सेवा, सूरत से लगती है बेवा. Your wife is very dedicated. She takes care of us. But in your absence, she looks like a widow, meaning thereby she has no charm left in her life. तूने पैसा बहुत कमाया, इस पैसे ने देश छुड़ाया. You might have earned a lot of money there, but this money has come at the cost of leaving your own motherland. देश पराया छोड़ के आजा, पंछी पिंजरा तोड़ के आजा. Leave the foreign country and please come back. That foreign country is like a cage. Break the shackles of that cage and come back. आजा, उम्र बहुत है छोटी, अपने घर में भी है रोटी, अपने घर में भी है रोटी. This last line is the crux. Please come back, the life is too short. You can earn your livelihood in your motherland also. Here, parents are making a heartfelt appeal to their son to come back because the clock of life is ticking at a very fast pace. Parents are getting old and have limited days remaining of their life. They say that they have at least the minimum required resources at home and we will enjoy together with each other's company. Thus, it's a very heart-touching song. This song became a catalyst for several overseas Indians who had a yearning to return to their motherland, the Mother India. जननी जन्मभूमि स्वर्गादपि गरीयसी एक प्रसिद्ध संस्कृत का श्लोक है जिसका अर्थ है माँ और जन्मभूमि स्वर्ग से भी श्रेष्ठ है. So with these lines Here we conclude this narration. Hope you liked it. Thank you so much.